Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Jaya Education. Now we are going to learn and write 10-line essay on myself. Let's start. 1. My name is Rohan. 2. I am 10 years old. 3. I live in Mumbai. 4. My school name is DAB School. 5. I study in class 5. 6. My favorite subject is an English. 7. I am strong and healthy. 8. My hobby is playing football. 9. I have one brother. 10. I want to become a doctor. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.